Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Search suggestions come from your device, browser history, and your Google account history. They show predicted queries while you type. Removing them improves privacy and removes unwanted autocomplete phrases quickly. You can clear suggestions from the browser, from Google account history, and from saved form data. Follow 3 main paths to fully clear suggestions: delete local history, remove account activity, and adjust autocomplete settings. Each path has simple steps you can complete in minutes. Gather your device and any synced browsers before you start on desktop by clearing browser history and form data in Chrome or your browser. In Chrome, open Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Select History, Cookies, and Cached images and files before you clear. Next, visit My Activity. Google, Com to delete web and app activity entries or specific queries. Use the Delete Activity by to remove items for all time or a custom range. Finally, disable autocomplete by toggling autocomplete searches and URLs under Sync and Google Services in Chrome. On mobile, open the Chrome app and go to History, then Clear Browsing Data. Choose All Time and include cookies and cached images and files. To remove account suggestions, open Google account settings and pause web and app activity. Pausing stops future suggestions from being saved until you resume. For temporary private searching, use incognito mode or sign out of your account on the device. Changes usually reflect immediately, but may take up to 24 hours to propagate across all devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.